every spring for 5 long years I've been chasing down the same long beard. It's get up early and I give him all I got. Got me an old box call and a brand new choke, and this spring it ain't no joke. I'm gonna fool him good and finally get a shot.
Well, first gobbler of the year. Might not be the biggest, but it's pretty decent. I gotta say, hands off to the cameraman though. He was doing all the calling today, and he put me on 5 of them actually. But it's like April 8th and it's Easter morning, so it's an awesome Easter present.
Might have been able to do the calling, but I couldn't seem to get him on camera today. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like. But
we had five jigs come right by the camera over here by this tom, and they were strutting around, and finally one gave me a shot and popped him first shot. So doing it Iowa style.
Little 5-inch beard probably. Oh, maybe not 5. It's a beard. Well,
we got something.
Alright, it's April 22nd.
Time to go find some mushrooms.
Going out turkey hunting, man. Caleb's house. He roosted 6 birds last night, so I guess we're gonna go and try and see if we can get on one. But we had to wait a little bit longer this morning than we usually like to because it was raining outside. As you probably can't tell from in here, but a little storm went through and just finished up raining. So I'll go out, try and locate a bird and set up on him pretty quick. But see how we can do and get it on Iowa style.
Slipped around to the other side just to let him think I let him slide and give him an hour or two to do his thing. About 10 o'clock I shot him a call and he hammered back and I took off, and I set up on the south side of the spring. Well, he couldn't have been more than 80 yards. My old heart was pounding.
finally got her done today. Took us about 3 hours, but this morning we set up on some birds closer to Caleb's house and couldn't get onto them, and so we decided to grab the decoys and come all around the lake and try this other spot, and it worked out. I mean, they come in, we had a tom hung up down on the bottom of this ridge that we could not get to come up. Probably sat there for 45 minutes, would not come. And then we had another tom. We heard these 2 toms down here, and so we switched the decoys around real fast. All of a sudden, before we know it, we got 2 big toms just running into this Jake decoy, and couldn't have been any sweeter. So yeah, he's probably got about an 8-inch beard, 3/4 inch spurs, around 20 pounds, I'd say, but still got birds gobbling everywhere. So it's a great morning to be out, and glad buddy Caleb was with me filming, and just couldn't ask for more. Alright, set up here at my uncle's farm tonight. It's down, I don't know, it's right next to a bunch of public land, but these fields are private owned. My uncle farms, and I've had good luck in this field in the past, so set up in this. I haven't had a chance to scout it much, so I decided by myself filming, and I decided to set up in this bowl where I've killed many birds last year. It seems about every year, but they like to roost on the ridge, but then they come out to feed before they go to roost. So I'm hoping tonight that they come out, and I don't know, we'll see. Mushroom hunters, hopefully got them pushed out of the timbers and have them coming out. So stay tuned. You're gonna have style.
Feeling like a dang old fool. That turkey done took this boy to school. I was packing up and heading back to the truck, but I had one more trick up my sleeve, the one my granddaddy taught me. I knew I was gonna need me a little luck. Pulled out my slate call, made a fighting purr. All I seen was beard and spurs. He flew the fence and I filled him with number 5. Now he's hung up down in the holler.
Back out here at Jake's spot this morning. Got about 5 toms gobbler. Yesterday we came out here and these birds came out on the point they were set up on today, so we decided to move over here. Jake's out in the green field where they seem to be hanging up for first hour in the morning, then coming out to the field to feed. So hopefully one of us can get a bird today. Me and Brecken are in this blind. Yeah, tired little fella. Well, look, wish us luck.
Feeling like a dang old fool. That turkey done took this boy to school. I was packing up and heading back to the truck, but I had one more trick up my sleeve, the one my granddaddy taught me. I knew I was gonna need me a little luck. Pulled out my slate call, made a fighting purr. All I seen was beard and spurs. He flew the fence and I filled him with number 5. Now he's hung up down in the holler. I strung up that old boss gobbler when he broke that strut.